Transforming $2,000 into $20,000 using a CPN. This guide aims to educate you on the process of leveraging a credit privacy number, CPN, to potentially grow $2,000 into $20,000. This information is presented for educational purposes only to help you understand how CPN files work, the steps involved, and how to execute this process effectively. Let's begin. What is needed to get started? To begin, it is essential to have a CPN, credit privacy number. You'll need both a same-day file and a traditional file. Bank account, a verified account with 3 months of paid bills documentation, e.g., Netflix, utilities, or phone services. A fresh phone number. Sources will be provided within the steps below. A laptop and internet. Proper tools ensure efficiency in setting up and managing accounts. This process will be detailed across 2 parts to ensure a thorough understanding. Step 1. Creating a same-day file. Creating a same-day CPN file involves several precise steps. Write down key details: name, date of birth, and state of residency. Use a proxy site and VPN. These tools protect your identity and ensure your IP address remains fresh during the process. Choose your zip code. Select an address from Zillow and identify its zip code and last 4 digits for verification purposes. Set up bulk email accounts. Use services online to purchase bulk email accounts for efficiency. Install DuckDuckGo browser. Pair this with your VPN to maintain security and anonymity. Prepare your bank account. Ensure bills have been paid for at least 3 months. With these elements in place, proceed to establish your same-day file. Step 2. Enhancing your file with applications. Enhancing your CPN file ensures legitimacy and improves the chances of credit approval. Steps include: apply for credit cards such as the Capital One Base Pro card using the CPN details. Use Clarity Services. Come to strengthen the tri-merging process. Create a file on Experian using a special link available on request. Ensure you input accurate details, including your email and verified phone number. Step 3. Adding public records. Public records are essential for integrating your CPN into financial systems. Opt into public records. Use services like Opt-out per screen. Calm and list yourself. Net to ensure your CPN details are available for verification. Verify your records. After 5 to 7 days, confirm your details are reflected in public records via LexisNexis Consumer Services. Step 4. Registering your CPN with the IRS. Registering your CPN with the IRS creates an EIN, Employer Identification Number, under your CPN profile. This process establishes dual functionality, allowing your CPN to operate as a business entity for Net 30 accounts. Once registered, the EIN acts as an identifier for business credit applications. Important note: this step requires careful execution to align with financial and legal guidelines. Step 5. Leveraging Net 30 accounts. Net 30 accounts provide significant opportunities for funding and credit building. Apply strategically. Use your EIN to establish trade lines for large amounts, such as those offering iPads, iPhones, and other assets. Monitor credit growth. Tools like NAV can help track business credit performance and reporting. Conclusion. This guide outlines the foundational steps to leverage $2,000 into $20,000 using a CPN. In the next segment, we'll detail the IRS registration process, Net 30 account strategies, and liquidation methods. For educational purposes only.